I don't want it in here because I don't want it to get in my room. I'm scared. Oh shit. Oh my god, I didn't even kill it. I didn't even
Bitches wanna beef, get your bar up. I am the best, bar none. And I'm screaming, fuck Trump. Black girls, stand up. Bitch, I'm nasty. And I don't give a fuck like what is classy. Smoking on cat pee. And my voice is raspy. I know these hoes can't stand me. I'm a black queen in a black coupe with some black niggas and some black...
Don't judge my room, a little dirty. Well, my sneakers there, and that's like a shopping bag. It's just not hung up. So I have my sweater, jeans jacket. Now there's, oh, this is actually my robe because my bathroom's right there. And then this is the sweater I was talking to you guys about. So this is my bathroom. I have some stuff hanging because I wanted to clean a little really close. My shower rod, all that, you know, jazzy stuff. And then, please don't judge, my room's a little dirty. Let me just clean a little bit. Okay, so I got this. The college actually told us, that we weren't gonna have anything in our kitchen, so I bought a few kitchen stuff. As you can see up there, bought a few kitchen stuff, but that's fine. Extra is better. So this is my mirror. These lights actually turn on. I just need to get batteries. So yes, if you guys were wondering, I film with my phone. So this is how it lights up. I'm gonna get batteries. I'm just using the try me button. So it's like a full, you know, mirror. Okay, so there's switches in just like that, which turns all the lights on. Okay, so I have some stuff for like, it gets really cold in Ireland, so I got scarves, hats, and gloves. This is like my bags. I got 2 hangers in there. I don't know why. I'm gonna say their snacks here don't really taste that good. This right here doesn't really taste that good. Got a magazine from the airplane, some pictures. I got my camera. I got glasses, some jewelry. This is like my snacks. I don't really have a lot. I got some oatmeal, plates, plastic forks, and knives. I even got like my own set of silverware. I might use this because I'm extra like that. Some Advil, all like beauty and stuff, you know, cocoa butter, you know, all that. This is some handmade stuff I got from my salon. Some lotion. This smells good. My salon gave me this, some styling gel and that. I got some of this and that. I got some more like hair wraps and clips up there, combs. Got some Gain, you know, like the bathroom stuff. That's my black soap, you know, air stuff, Tide, all that. And then down here, got my makeup. So makeup videos coming. I brought all my stuff, okay? And yeah, I already know. Y'all seen this before. I made that. Got some extra. This is a book that we're supposed to be reading in Dracula. I need to start actually. My computer. I got some fashion stuff just in case I want to make and be creative. So got some stuff, you know, everything. So I don't really have a lot of decorations. My bed should be made, but it's not because I was like actually like late this morning, so I just ran out for, I was late for orientation. I had to be up at 9:15, but your girl is a party girl and didn't really wake up that early, but I got up. So nothing's really here. I don't have anything to put. So yeah, got some stuff. That's my dad's family, if you guys wanted to know. Some stuff. This speaker is really loud. So yeah. And then over here, got some garbage right there, but I'll clean that up. My suitcase. This is where they're gonna stay for like the whole entire trip. I have like some under bed storage, so one of my suitcases is actually under there. And one of my other suitcases is in this big one. So now for my closet. This is my view. I like it. It's cute or whatever. And so this is how the windows are. So literally bugs can come in, but it's like you don't want to close it because they don't get hot. So for my closet, shoes up there, everything's really hung. I had to do like double it. It's really nice. I did like rainbow and stuff. This is just all over the place. So we got some stuff down there. My purses. Then we got a drawer for pajamas, drawer for panties and bras and socks, and some garbage. I know y'all hear that. It's the bird. It looks like it's gonna rain in a few, but whatever. It's Ireland. It rains. So yeah, this is my room. It's a little messy, but it's cute. And then this is like, okay, so it's all, there's 2 refrigerators. My stuff is just in that one. And so this is like a dining room table. Got 2 couches. Those throwaway covers came from the school. We just picked them. Put like candy in there. Oh, we got a little bit of bird poop right there. Oh my fucking god, there's a bee in